Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows Start menu and taskbar not working. When I want to click on Start menu and taskbar, but no response Windows 10 Start menu and taskbar. Still, like with any operating system, there are bugs. And one of the more common bugs people running Windows 10 have faced is that the Start menu suddenly stops working. Follow me to fix the problem, and first you open the net connection by going to the back of the cabinet. The way I opened the net cable, you should also open it. If you have an issue with the Start menu, the first thing you can try to do is restart the Windows Explorer process in the Task Manager. To restart this process, Ctrl+Shift+S to launch the Task Manager. If you first time open Task Manager, then click More Details to see a full list of open programs and background processes you're running. Scroll through the list until you find the Windows Explorer process. Then right-click on Windows Explorer and select Restart. There will be a brief flash while Windows restarts Windows Explorer, along with the taskbar and Start menu. You'll notice your taskbar goes away for a minute, then comes back. This is normal, and when it returns, it will hopefully function properly. If this doesn't work, you can also try signing out and back into your user account. And don't forget that restarting your PC is always a good idea if you haven't done so in a while. And then of course connect the net cable to the CPU now. Hopefully, you'll never run into issues with your Windows 10 taskbar again. These tips should have helped you fix any annoying problems, like not being able to click anything on the taskbar. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.